Hello everyone, today I want to share with you a new version of CleanStream, the plugin that will remove profanity or any other words from your stream's audio in real time using AI. CleanStream can replace it with silence or any other audio clip that you set it up with. So let's see CleanStream in action. I'm going to play this short clip now with a lot of profanity, and CleanStream is going to replace them with a funny sound.
The Big Lebowski.
Hey, so what the f are you talking about?
You talking about the Chinaman is not the issue here, dude.
Shut the f Donnie.
You can find the link to the clip in the show notes. So we've seen CleanStream in action, and the way to set up CleanStream on your stream is to go into the OBS forums and find CleanStream, or you can also find it on GitHub. Click the Go to Download, and that will open the Downloads page for CleanStream. Just pick the version that works with your operating system and the hardware that you have. In case of macOS, you want to choose the one that works with your processor, and in Windows, you have an option for CPU, OpenCL that works with AMD GPUs, or two versions of CUDA, CUDA 11 or CUDA 12, depends on the one that you have. I have CUDA 12, so I'm going to click this installer, and that's going to download CleanStream. Once the download is done, I'm going to open it and run the installer. Set up CleanStream according to the installer instructions. Once it's done, it's going to be set up with your OBS. So let's open up OBS and see. What I have CleanStream doing is clean up the desktop audio here for me, but you can set it up in any sort of screen capture audio, microphone audio, application capture, or any sort of audio source, even media sources, videos, or browser sources, anything that provides an audio output, you can set this up. In this case, I'm going to set it up a desktop audio because I'm capturing the video from my desktop. We'll go on filters here, and we'll have an option to add CleanStream. You will just see it in your filter add button here, CleanStream audio filter. I already have it set up. There's very basic settings here to set up. Once you get it, you will get it in this mode of adding a silence instead of the swear word that you want to extract. You can set up what words it will try to replace in here. And you can edit this, of course, and add more things or remove things that you don't want to filter out. And the replace options can be either silence, which would just mute the audio, or you could set it up as a little beep censorship sound or a horn, as well as an external sound, which you can set up with any sort of audio file that you have on your drive. The other choice to use here is the Whisper model. I'm using the Whisper Tiny, which is okay and very fast. You can set up bigger models, but that is really recommended only if you have a very powerful GPU, because these models will run slower and they might not catch profanities or the words in time, and they won't be able to cover them up. So I'm using Whisper Tiny because the audio that I have is fairly high quality, but if your audio is a little rough, you may want to try the base or the small models. Under advanced settings, you will find more things, but for now, let's not worry about them. And now CleanStream is going to be working on desktop audio. As soon as we start playing audio in here, it will be cleaned up. The other thing we need to take care of is the delay. Since CleanStream is going to be looking at the video, we're going to have to artificially lag the video behind a little bit so that it syncs up with the audio. That could be done with a render delay. I have here my display capture, and I can set up filters here. I've already added 3 render delays for 500 milliseconds each, in a total of 1500 milliseconds, a second and a half, which is the built-in delay the CleanStream has to find the words. We're going to leave this here as render delay, but remember to add that or your audio will not sync up with your video along with the clean audio stream. Let's let it play for a little bit longer so you'll see the effect, and then we'll try a different setting.
You see what happens, Larry? You see what happens, Larry? Do you see what happens, Larry? Stranger in the act! What happens, Larry? This is what happens, Larry!
So CleanStream is able to replace the profanities with different sounds. These are controlled from here. We can try to set this up at a different sound, and you can experiment with this to create all kinds of different effects for your own streams. Let's set this up with a censorship beep.
You're hurt fucking bad.
There you have it. This is CleanStream, the filter that will remove any profanity or any other words that you want to remove from your stream's audio. You could use it with offline video files, online browser videos, or any sort of media that you bring in OBS. Check this out, the latest version of CleanStream, and let me know if you run into any problems. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.